Hello everyone and welcome back. Here we have 2 powered by a plus 4 powered by b plus 8 powered by c, that is equal to 328, and a, b, c are natural numbers. Then find the number ordered pair of a, b and c. Means how many order we can make of a, b, c for satisfying this equation. So now for solution, 2 powered by b we can write 2 square and powered by b plus 8 we can write 2 cube and powered by c, and 328 we can write 8 times 41, and 8 is cube of 2, so it is 2 cube multiplied by 41. So now the equation we can write as 2 powered by a as it is 2 powered by a plus, and 4 powered by b we can write 2 powered by 2b, so 2 powered by 2b, and here plus, and 8 powered by c we can write 2 powered by 3c, 2 powered by 3c, and that is equal to 2 cube multiplied by 41. So friend, hope till here everything is clear. So in the next step we have powered up a, 2b and 3c. So we have powered up a, 2b and 3c. Let us take these values as p, q and r, where p will be less than equal to q and q will be less than equal to r. Means the value of p will be less than of q and r, and the value of q will be more than p and less than r. So here we can say the smallest is p and the middle will be q and the largest will be r. So if p will be the smallest, then a will equal to p. If the value of 2b will be less, then the value of p will be 2b, so 2b will be p. And similarly, if the value of 3c will be less, then 3c will equal to p. So any value of 2 powered by a or 2 powered by 2b or 2 powered by 2c will be 2 powered by p. So we can write 2 powered by p plus any value of 2 powered by a, 2 powered by 2b or 2 powered by 2c will be 2 powered by q. So plus any value of these three will be 2 powered by r, so 2 powered by r, that is equal to 2 powered by 3 multiplied by 41. So here we have let p is the smallest one, so this value will be the smallest one, so we'll take 2 powered by p common, so remaining here is 1, plus here it is 2 powered by q minus p plus 2 powered by r minus p, that is equal to 2 powered by 3 multiplied by 41. Now if we'll compare the left hand side with the right hand side, here 2 powered by p and in the right hand side we have 2 powered by 3. So we can write 2 powered by p will be 2 powered by 3 and 1 plus 2 powered by q minus p plus 2 powered by r minus p, that will be equal to 41. So here the base 2 and 2 is same, so we can write p is equal to 3. So we have one solution, p is equal to 3. Now from here we can write 2 powered by q minus p plus 2 powered by r minus p, that will be 41 minus 1 will be 40. Now for further solutions we'll write this equation in the next page. Now moving ahead, now from these equations we'll take 2 powered by q minus p common, so the remaining here will be 1, plus here it will be 2 powered by r minus p and negative value of q minus p. So the value will be r minus p minus q minus minus plus p and p gets cancelled, so it is r minus q. So it will be 2 powered by r minus q equal to, and 40 we can write 8 times 5, and 8 is 2 powered by 3, 2 powered by 3 times 5. So now we'll compare these equations, here 2 powered by q and p, and here it is 2 powered by 3. So we'll write 2 powered by q minus p, that is equal to 2 powered by 3. So here the base value is same, so we'll write q minus p is equal to 3. So earlier we have calculated p is equal to 3. We have calculated earlier. Now we'll put the value of p here, so it is q minus 3, that is equal to 3. So we'll take this 3 in the right hand side, so the value of q will be 3 and 3 6, and the next term we have here is 1 plus 2 powered by r minus q, that is equal to 5. So the value of 2 powered by r minus q will be 5 minus 1 will be 4, 4 is the 2 square, So the value of r minus q will be r minus q will be 2. So we have calculated q is equal to 6. So now r minus 6 is equal to 2. So the value of r will be 8. So now for the solution we will erase this. So we have q is equal to 6, r is equal to 8 and p is equal to 3. We have calculated 3 values. So in the beginning we have 2 powered by a plus 2 powered by 2b plus 2 powered by 3c, that is equal to 328, and we have latest 2 powered by p plus 2 powered by q plus 2 powered by r, that is equal to 328. And in the beginning we have also let a, 2b and 3c, that is equal to p, q and r. Here p is smallest, q is middle and r is largest, and abc are natural number. So p is smaller than equal to q and q is either smaller or equal to r, and these values are equal to 3. Next is 6 and the last one is 8. Now for the value of a, 2b and for 3c. Now as abc are natural number, now for 3c we can take 3, and for 2b it will be 6 or it can also be 8, and the value of it will be 3 only. So we have for 6 remaining is 8, for 8 the remaining is 6, and 3c is also multiplication of 6, so we can write 6 here, and for 2b it will be 8, so we'll write 8, and for a the remaining is 3. So we cannot put for natural value of 3c as 8. So we have 3 sets here. Now we'll calculate the value of a, b and c. Now here a is 8, 8. For 2b it is 6. For the value of b will be 3. And here 3c is 3. So the value of c will be 1. And next for it is 6. And 2b is 8. So b will be 4. 3c is 3. So c will be 1. And now here a is 3. 2b is 8. So b will be 4. And 3c is 6. So c will be 2. So friend, here we have 1, 2, 3, 3 sets of order. So in the beginning of the questions we have been asked how many ordered pair. So we have 3 pair. Answer of the question is 3. So friend, how many videos? Give your comment in the comment box. So friend, if you like the video, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video.